We have given that point B is between A and C on segment AC. So let's draw the graph first. We have segment AC, point B is between AC, and we have given that AB, length of AB is 4x plus 5. The length of BC is x minus 3, and we have given that length of AC is 42. We can write equation that AC is equal AB plus BC. So now you can substitute AC by 42. AB is 4x plus 5. And we have given that BC is x minus 3. So now we can combine the like terms, and we have 42 is equal 4x plus x is 5x. 5 minus 3 is 2, so we have plus 2. Now I will move 2 to the left side because we have positive 2, so it will be 42 minus 2 is equal 5x. 42 minus 2 is 4 is equal 5x. Now because we have multiplication here, so I will divide by 5 both sides because we need to find x. 5 and 5 we can reduce. So we have that x is equal 4 divided by 5 is 8. We have x, so we can calculate the distance between A and B and C. Because AB is equal 4x plus 5. Now we can substitute x by 8. So we have 4 times 8 plus 5. So this is equal 4 times 8 is 32 plus 5 is 37. And we need to find BC. So BC is x minus 3. So this is equal x is 8 minus 3. So this is equal 5. So this is my solution.